Welcome back everyone. Thank you for visiting our channel. Today let's talk about wordplay wonders, unraveling homonyms and more. Let's begin. Right, correct, the opposite of left. Tire to become weary, the rubber covering on a wheel. Row a line of things or people, to paddle a boat. Well in a good or satisfactory manner, a deep hole to access water. Date a fruit, a calendar day or an appointment to meet someone. These homonyms can often lead to amusing misunderstandings. Now, homonyms from Indonesia.
Bisa.
Can, able, venom or poison.
Kapak.
Axe, a type of wooden canopy or roof structure.
Kepala.
Head, leader, as in the head of an organization.
Laut.
Sea, loud, as in a loud sound.
Bunga.
Flower, interest, such as in finance.
Tahu.
Tofu, a food product. To know.
Sawah.
Swamp or marsh, a type of creeping plant or vine.
Beli.
Buy, to behave or act.
Pulau.
Island, a type of long-standing commitment, as in a promise island, metaphorically.
Tari.
Dance, a type of tax or levy. In certain contexts, these homonyms can lead to interesting interpretations and misunderstandings in conversation. Now, homonyms from South Korea. Pair, boat. Nun, eye, snow.
말,
Horse, language.
살,
Flesh, live.
가다,
To go, to be, in a certain state.
차,
Car, tea.
방, 뱅,
Room, avoid, as in to dodge.
활,
As in to perform an action, a suffix meaning to do, can be used in varying contexts.
종,
Bell, species or kind.
친구,
Friend, someone who is close, a term of endearment. These homonyms can lead to playful confusion in everyday conversation. Now, homonyms from Japan.
Hashi.
Bridge, chopsticks.
Kame.
Turtle, a term for something that is slow.
生、
Raw, as in raw fish, life or living.
鳴く、
To cry, as in animals making sounds, to sound or ring, like a bell.
刺し、刺し
A、type of drink or dipping, as in sauces. Difference, as in a gap or disparity.
月、月、
Moon, month.
優位、
Above, up or top, as in higher position.
読む、読む、
To read, to interpret, as in interpreting a situation.
見える、見える、
To be visible, to perceive or understand.
開く、開く、
To open, to become open, in a metaphorical sense, like opportunities. These homonyms can lead to interesting meanings and enhance the richness of the Japanese language. And there you have it. We hope you discover something interesting today about homonyms, from Indonesia, South Korea and Japan. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. Thank you for visiting our channel. Don't forget to visit our online merchandise shops. The link is in the channel description. Remember, learn something every day. Please check out our other videos. We will see you in the next one.